World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July every year. The day is observed with an aim to safeguard our natural resource and preserve our environment at large. The primary aim of World Nature Conservation Day is to save the plants and animals that are on the verge of getting extinct. The day also aims to draw focus on the individual action that can be taken to save our resources and the environment at large. One of the major threats to the environment is plastic use. While the material is affordable and convinced to use in real life, it has a negative impact on the environment. Plastic products are non-recyclable, so the first step in working for environment conservation is to reduce the use of plastic product on a day-to-day basis. Use products that are made of eco-friendly material instead of plastic item. Wherever possible, try to use energy saving appliances. Make a switch to LED light bulb as the use less energy and even reduce your power cost over time. Save water. One of the major effects of climate change has been the declining level of dislinking dislinking level of drinking water in use the past few years. Being conscious about turning of water laps, taps, and checking any wastage can help you to save thousands of liters of water annually. Compositing a simple and effective technique to reduce the amount of trash that goes to the landfill while benefiting your backyard's garden. Almost all kitchen waste, including eggshells, vegetable scraps, and TV, can be used. Thanking you. Namaskar.